Hi friends, today I am doing an unboxing, although this is open. My husband decided that he couldn't read my name and opened it, of the product that I was waiting for my diamond painting, which was from NewFrog, and this is the turtles. It is a 13 inches by 12 inches. 12 inches by almost 15 inches, and the size here, the outside. The inside picture part was about what I think it was, 13 and a half. Am I correct? To 9 and a half for the inside picture. Oh, I gotta be in frame. So I'm pretty happy about it. I was actually they contacted me to see if maybe they need to send another bunch because the first one didn't come through, but I finally did, so here it is. So this is my turtles, sea turtles. So here it is. I was hoping it would be diamonds all across the whole thing, but it's just on the sea turtles, but that's pretty cool still anyway. It was just packaged in this plastic, and here are my, let me see what else is here. This is what came with it. I'm pretty excited about this, getting these. So they're smaller than I was hoping, but if I read it properly, it would have been all fine. But this is what I got. Here's my stylus. I got my little piece of wax in here. My colors. Let's see. My diamonds. Okay, open it. Yeah. Somehow. And there we go. Have children background, sorry. Alright, so I have to open it, and here are my colors. So I have my chart, of course. I have what I'm going to be sticking on. This is my picture that I'm making. And here's my colors. Very pretty. Round little pieces. Let's see, I'm trying to look at them. They're very pretty and shiny, so I'm hoping, oh, it's going to be so pretty. Looks really pretty and shiny in the package. So I can't wait to try them out. It's nice and small, so it will be quick. That's the first one. So let's do the second one. And so I'm going to open the second one, but actually just before too, another thing that I noticed that is fabric. I'm really happy about that because I was thinking, when someone else was opening, Vicky was opening hers, it sounded like paper, something sounded like paper, so I'm really pleased that it is like a canvas. It's fabric canvas with a bit of a plastic coating of the picture pressed on there, however they do that. So that's pretty cool. I'm happy. There is the crinkle in here, but I'm guessing if I put it beneath books or something, it should be fine. I checked to make sure that everything was sticky in the creases, and just to make sure, and it seems all fine, so I'm pretty happy. I know some people don't like, sorry, the noise, the packaging in a bag, but if everything works, it's fine, right? So let's open. Sticky, the second one. I'm really happy about this. Okay, so I'm going to, and another thing is too, it's got the, since I'm new to all this, so it's got not only the code but the number to match the maps here, so if I happen to get them mixed up, they will match, I'm sure of it. Here's the first one, the second one, the first time I'm opening it. Oh my goodness, this one's a whole page. I'm so happy. See, this one, I bet you this is like, your starter to get started. Oh, the London Bridge. Product number, it doesn't have the product name in English, does it? This one's a little different. Still the same quality fabric. It looks like it. So I'm just going to turn it backwards here a bit. That I can deal with. It's not on paper. It's I don't know. I've never tried a bunch of these, like another one, so I don't know how they're supposed to be. I'm going to move this up here. But I'm really happy that it is on the same kind of fabric material. And this one's all the whole thing across. It's so smooth, this one. I'm so happy to try these out. Oh my goodness, look at the numbers. I'm just going to open it up. I probably shouldn't have done that, like that. With the turtle one, it was a better idea to do it like that because I just went and restuck it like this. But with this one, that might not have been the greatest idea. Oh, I seem to work. I see people usually doing like taking half of it off and then resticking it half. There is more creases in this one. There doesn't seem to be any creases in the other one. So let's hope that that doesn't make a difference in my painting. There's quite a few creases in the glue. It's still sticky in those spots. If there's bubbles and stuff like that, one person I was watching said to just give them a little slight slice with a knife, so I don't know if that would consider a bubble, these creases. But the creases are right into the paper, so we'll see. So far, I think that they're great. I'll see how they work. Let's see here from this is from China. And then just trying to look at where it's from. Fireworks, diamond painting, embroidery. And this one, that's funny, it seems like, I don't know. Anyway, I guess, I don't know how, my husband just handed them to me, so I'm not sure if they're packaged together or not, or sent separate. So, that is great. There's the picture, everything is got the drills on it. Now I'm just going to open up these here. Making all this noise. I'm so happy and excited to try these out. I'm going to have a link for NewFrog below. I can't wait to look at more of their products. I was looking through their little store, and the prices seem to be really, really great, and the pictures are really beautiful, so it gives you more options. I find that the craft store is right immediate, but then there's only so many options you have because they don't have that many to choose from, really. And I like the choices. You might have to wait a bit. We'll see when I order. I think I'm going to order some more just to see how long it actually does take, because maybe this one was just kind of misplaced, but you know how it can't be, you know, necessarily their fault. It did reach the country quite a while ago, but it didn't reach my house, so that's not their fault. That's the post's fault. So really, look at these colors. The fireworks and the London Bridge, very beautiful colors. And this is these colors. So I'm really grateful. Thank you so much from NewFrog to ask for me to try these out, because I'm really excited to do this one. To do these, I'm going to do the turtles first, and then I'm going to do these ones. This one is, I believe, London Bridge and the fireworks at night. So that's gorgeous. Cannot wait to give them a try. So I'm going to put the link below. You guys can check them out as well. And yeah, I'm going to make a video of making the turtles next, I think. Thanks, friends, for watching. Bye-bye.